that thing isn't good looking. And what is going on, guys? Clearly you can tell I'm excited for this one, and let's just start it off with, you guys are the best. The motivation you guys subscriber wise have been giving me, you guys are just amazing. S10 is doing great, Envoy's doing great. I have some plans. We're gonna go on a little adventure tonight, about an hour and a half drive. Worked some things out, and I ended up giving my dad the 05 for a Christmas gift, helping him out. It's dream truck of his was a later 2000s white extended cab 4-wheel drive Chevy pickup. I got that white 05 for a steal, and it's Christmas. Why not? I'm just feeling super awesome. You guys are keeping my spirits up and keeping me super motivated to work on the channel. So with the shovel being gone and that truck sitting and stuff, figured get it to him. He has his dream truck. I helped him sell his little Dakota, his Dodge Dakota today, and then he had to work in Welch's, which is a base and Mount Hoodish area. So he drove Silverado, had a blast, and he's up there working. I'm sitting here with the family, and I'm looking at Marketplace how I always do when I have space in the driveway, and something popped up. I've been talking about a 4-wheel drive a lot for the family. I'm talking about building something. I've been going through and cleaning up some of the stuff in the garage, getting some of the project stuff figured out for the S10. The twin turbo stuff is looking great, and I'm stoked on it. Little adjustments here and there. We're gonna be getting it going. Like I said, full steam towards the channel and content. I don't want to just be doing drifting. I don't want to just be doing drag racing stuff, turbo LS stuff. I also want to do a little bit of 4-wheel drive stuff, a little bit wheeling, you know, playing in the woods, snow, etc., etc. With that being said, let's get on a little bit of a cruise, and then when we get back, we'll see what we picked up. Because we're going to get us a new Average Joe build. Doesn't make a lot of sense. We're going to get another car because it's me and I can't help it. Let's go party. So now that I am done getting gas in this thing that is almost as tall as I am, we're gonna cruise back home. I'll have the steps on film on the way home. Wifey is following me, and we'll get this, almost saw it, get this feller back home and do a walk around somewhere in a parking lot, something like that there, and talk about it. See it, check it out. Do a quick, did you see it? I saw it. All right, catch you guys soon. How often does wifey stop for you so you guys can take pictures of that new? Yeah, it looks so good and I'm excited. This is, I guess, what we're affectionately gonna call Old Blue or Big Blue. Not quite sure how the family's gonna do it there, and you're probably not gonna be able to hear me because this big block is really loud. So we're gonna end this video out here and we'll see you guys in the morning. I'm cold and it is a foggy, crappy day. Let's see about I don't know if this is gonna fit in the driveway. This is not gonna fit in the driveway. I have to jump to get in and out of this thing. And I'm 6'4". But I guess we're unveiling Big Blue again. We saw it last night, but there it is today. So I think it's a 90. I have to check the title to be sure. I think something like that, 86, 90, somewhere around there. Fuel injected big block. It's 454 turbo 400. 203. A little bit of a body lift, a little bit of suspension lift. Nothing special. Nothing. You know. It's just a square body on 40s, and I'm in love with it. I can't stop staring at it. I can't even talk. It is beat. The door on the driver's side needs to be fixed. It's pretty caved in. You can see there. I might try and kick that all out, but I'm not sure. For now, it drives. Like I just drove it 100 miles home last night, sight unseen. So I'll probably keep this thing forever. This has been one of my dream trucks for the longest time. Is a Crewcab K30. It was such a steal. I just had to pick it up last night. Drove home after sitting for a few years. Everything was fine. I did 65 the whole way home, which on tons and 40s is pretty crazy. Newer Dix CPEC 40s on some welds. May end up going down to like a 37 and some Baja Claws or something like that. I'm more of a fan of Steely's. I don't know. I just want to clean it up. I do want to change to like the 77 grill. I'm not really a fan of that grill. It's like, I don't know, it's a toss-up. It's not bad, but I'm not really a fan of it. I like I think it's 74 and up grill more. That's just a front end that I've always enjoyed. But yeah, like I said, she's just a clean runner and driver. Just beautiful. Just a beaut. Just neat. Making me miss all my zip ties and bias plate videos, but see the interior here. Not so bad. A square body with actual carpet, which blew my mind. I could fit 50 kids in here. I did have to wipe the windows constantly. I found the original GM book, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, so the blower motor doesn't work. The wipers don't work. Square body stuff, traditional square body stuff. Wipers don't work, or I said wipers, turn signals, wipers, fuel gauge, all gauges actually, except the voltmeter. So we'll be going through and fixing all of that, but it's just a project. It runs, it drives. We can take it to the woods and actually wheel it and take it up to the snow this weekend is the plan after tinkering with it. This will just be a short little video, just checking it out. Getting back out in the garage. It's just gonna be a cleanup day for me, so just gonna post this up here in a few. Did go ahead and get some really rad, these are like 60-inch lights, and they actually link together if I wanted them to and stuff, so I'm gonna be hanging them up in various spots around the garage, and then I'll probably hang up some in the carport out here to assist in the lighting that we barely have. So some of the video quality and lighting and everything can go up. More production values, guys. Trying to make sure we're taking care of you so you can see what we're doing. But S10 is still just hanging out here, looking gorgeous as usual. Thankfully it focused. I've just been checking some stuff out intercooler and radiator wise. Really like where this turbo came out actually. I might leave this and mirror this side now is what my plan is there. I just want it to be a little bit better than what it is. The frame that I had in the backyard from the 50, I actually made a deal with one of my buddies, and I do believe I'm going to be getting another intercooler and radiator that were originally in the S10 when it had an LS before I got it. So that way they're more prone to fit in that truck, so I'm trading parts for parts, and so we might not be using those. So I dug into starting to mock up the tank, and it's just going to be one of those days of checking stuff out and dealing with some other stuff. But we'll leave you guys there. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're going to be doing some four-wheel drive stuff here soon. And so with that, Average Joe Builds. Have a good one, guys.